Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Kubernetes. In this video we'll talk about pod template, ReplicaSet and deployment objects, and in the last we will look into DaemonSet. So pod object. In the previous video we talked about what pod is. So pod is just like a wrapper for your container, or your containers will reside inside the pod, and it is the smallest unit in the Kubernetes. So in the pod template we'll describe how you want the pod to be deployed. For example, you would say that you want image X, like which image. For example, I would like to take Nginx image, and from here you will fetch the image. For example, you will describe uh, a Docker Hub, Azure Container Registry, or any other container registry for your image that is actually placed in, and then you will also describe which port should be open. So you are just defining from where to take the image, which port should be open, and which image should be it bring in its template. The next is ReplicaSet. What does it mean? ReplicaSet means that it will maintain the defined number of stable pods. So for example, you want a maximum of 2 pods, so it will ensure that always 2 pods are up and running. So let's just read about it. Within the ReplicaSet, you can take that pod template you just defined, the pod template defined in the earlier state. You will take that, and then you will tell Kubernetes how many of those pods you want. Then ReplicaSet will make sure that there are always that many pods in your cluster up and running. So depending on whether the number of pods goes up or down for any reason, ReplicaSet will arrange for the pods to either be deployed or removed. So you are always on at that number. So just to summarize this, for example, you want 2 pods should be running at any time. So for any reason, if a pod is down, so ReplicaSet will make sure that it add 1 pod, and vice versa for the in case when the pod is down. Then we have the deployment object. A deployment object describes the desired state of your cluster, and that includes creating the ReplicaSet, which in turn manage the pods. So it is deployment objects that come on the top. Then it has a ReplicaSet in it, and ReplicaSet has in turn pods, and pod has containers inside it. So that is you can say a hierarchy. Then we have the daemon set ensures that a specified pod, which is a unit of deployment for the application in your Kubernetes, runs on all nodes or specified set of nodes in a cluster. So daemon.set will make sure that, for example, you have 3 nodes. Daemon.set will make sure that a pod is a part of daemon.set, then it will make sure that it is running on all the 3 nodes. So it will run on node 1, node 2, and node 3. So its purposes are, it ensure pods are nodes, it works on background services, scaling with the cluster, and automatic cleanup. So if you destroyed the daemon.set, it will also clean the pods on each node. So that was a few objects left in the from the previous video. Thank you so much